The term AC 12 horsepower car likely refers to a classic car produced by AC Cars, a British automobile manufacturer known for its iconic vehicles. One of their most famous models is the AC 12 horsepower, which was produced in the early 20th century. Below are the details about the AC 12 horsepower car. AC 12 horsepower overview. Manufacturer: AC Cars Auto Carriers Limited. Production years: 1913 to 1922. Class: light car. Engine: 4-cylinder, 1.5-litre, 1496 cc. Power output: 12 horsepower. Transmission: 3-speed manual. Body style: tourer, saloon or sports models. Top speed: approximately 45 to 50 mph, 72 to 80 km per hour. Key features asterisk. Engine: the AC 12 horsepower was powered by a 1.5-litre, 4-cylinder engine. It was designed for reliability and efficiency, making it suitable for light touring and everyday use. Design: the car featured a lightweight chassis and a simple, elegant design. It was available in various body styles, including open tourers and closed saloons. Performance: with 12 horsepower, the car was not particularly fast but was well suited for the roads and driving conditions of the early 20th century. It was known for its smooth ride and durability. Popularity: the AC 12 horsepower was popular among middle-class buyers in the UK. During its production years, it was praised for its affordability and practicality. Historical significance: the AC 12 horsepower was one of the early models that helped establish AC Cars as a reputable manufacturer. It laid the foundation for later iconic models like the AC Ace and AC Cobra. Legacy: the AC 12 horsepower is now a rare classic car, highly sought after by collectors and enthusiasts of vintage automobiles. It represents an important era in automotive history, showcasing the transition from horseless carriages to more modern vehicles. If you are looking for more specific details or images, I recommend consulting Classic Car Archives or contacting AC Cars directly. Let me know if you need further assistance.